Sonder along the Mother Earth's creations, and absorb the positivity. The music of the birds over the Murti River, calming essence of the flora and fauna around the lush greenery. And nothing except happy vibes. Is the trip worth planning? Are you still wondering about where to spend your weekend? No better option than Murti in Dooars region. How to reach Murti Dooars? It is easy. It just takes a 2 hours road trip from the famous tourist attraction, SILIGURI. Where to stay? It is even easier. Resort Trimurti is best luxurious and budget hotel in Murti Dooars. What to do near Murti? Enjoy your break from chaotic noises, bird watching, picnic along the Murti River, visit Gorumara National Park and witness wildlife, a soothing trek for your soul, camping by the river. We add to your happiness. One of the best hotel in Murti Dooars, focusing on your comfort. Facilities for you: cottage rooms, deluxe rooms, suite rooms, conference halls, outdoor wedding facilities, multi-cuisine restaurant, services on a call. The most memorable vacations are the most comfortable ones. Book your holidays with Resort Trimurti.